Connect the toilet tank to the bowl by aligning the gasket and bolts, then tightening evenly until the gasket is fully compressed and watertight. Begin by removing any shipping materials and inspect the tank gasket, bolts, and washers supplied with the toilet. Fit the gasket over the tank outlet so the wider lip sits against the tank and the narrower portion points toward the bowl. Stretch it gently until its sides contact the tank opening evenly. Insert the brass or stainless steel tank bolts through the tank base so their threaded ends point down. Then place the rubber washers on the bolt threads beneath the tank to protect porcelain. Lower the tank onto the bowl carefully, guiding bolts into the matching holes in the bowl flange while keeping the gasket centered over the outlet. If alignment is off, lift and reposition rather than forcing. From underneath, fit additional rubber washers and then the flat metal washers and nuts onto the bolts, hand tightening until snug. Alternate tightening each nut a few turns at a time so the tank compresses onto the gasket evenly. Then use a wrench to finish with gentle quarter turns until the tank is stable and the gasket is fully compressed without cracking the porcelain. A frequent mistake is over-tightening the bolts, which can crack the porcelain and cause slow leaks. If the tank moves when you tighten, back off and tighten each side incrementally until firm but not brittle. Another common issue is a misaligned gasket that allows water to bypass into the bowl. Correct this by removing the tank, repositioning the gasket so it centers over the outlet, and reinstalling the bolts with even pressure. People also forget rubber washers under the tank, which leads to metal on porcelain contact and leaks. Replace missing washers and use new brass bolts if the originals are corroded to ensure a proper seal. At bighomeprojects.com, we help homeowners find local contractors and post their own project details so contractors can find work that matches their skills. We also host a discussion community where we and other members exchange tips and troubleshooting advice about toilet installation and other home projects.